Whoo! You look up, that entire shelf is all crystal. That's all crystal. Check out what we're doing. Got some kayaks. Got some friends with us. Got the twins, Mr. Low Range, and then I don't think you've seen him before, but you might see him in some videos. Got Cade walking the dog over here. Oh wow, you got the thing all the way down in there.
He's down in there. I got him down in there.
We're lowering the kayaks down with a rope. A little bit. Hey look, this rock looks like Tennessee, which is where we are.
Alright you guys, we are lowering kayaks down in. We got the guys going down in there.
Dude, this is gonna be so bad getting these out. Oh, so this is one of these don't touch the ceiling spots.
Oh yeah, you definitely don't.
Very nice. Here, stare it over to me a little bit. Dude, what is this here? Oh my! That watercolor, dude. It's so square. Holy cow! Dude, that water cloud looks crazy.
Oh yeah, dude.
It looks like you pooped in the pool. Okay.
How you hanging in on that kayak?
Dude, you weren't kidding about this thing being all tippy.
I know, mine is too, bro. Those playboats don't play around.
I feel like I'm in a giant swimming pool. It's crystal clear with a white bottom.
I do feel like I'm in a swimming pool.
Whew. This is sweet, dude.
Dude, this is awesome, guys. I've never seen this cool.
I was just about to ask. You said it was green last time?
Yeah.
Could you see the bottom?
All the rain. No, it was not like this last time.
Wow. Dude, this is such a beautiful place. Man-made stuff normally isn't as pretty. Dude, there are crystals all over the place. There's a giant light pole over there. What the heck? They're freaking out about something up there. Crystals all over the wall. Oh, those are crystals all over that thing. I'm coming in hot and I don't know how to stop. That is nuts.
It goes all the way down to the bottom.
Yeah.
Look, you can see the power cords in the floor.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Dude, we're like on a different planet right now.
Literally.
Oh, these are pretty crystals.
Like,
If you guys know what kind of crystals these are, leave a comment in the comment area. I wonder how many inches of marble dust is on the bottom. They look like dunes underneath us of marble dust.
right? Hold on, you stay right there.
Oh, that's good.
Ready?
Thumbnail.
Ready?
Nice. All right, so word on the street is we're about at this cavern.
It's getting shallow.
Oh man. Dude, your boot is dragging.
I know.
Oh,
Nothing I can do about it.
that sucks. Jeez, man. This place just... Oh, the water is ending. Whoa. 0 to 60 in about 10 seconds, bro. Ooh. All right. We made it to dry land at least. You are the man.
Personal berries.
I know, dude. My shoes are still dry. Still dry. Dude, this marble dust reminds me of my tile saw.
Yeah.
Look at the way the mud just oozes out from my shoes in this like mud snow. I almost walked right into that pool of water. It's so crystal clear. Oh wow, yeah, you can see these are old footprints right here. It literally looks like footprints in the snow. Hey, I wonder if you peed in this if it would turn yellow.
I just did up there.
Did it turn yellow? Aw. There's some old mining equipment up here, I see. Wow, dude, this is nuts. Oh man, he sunk in. That's rough, dude. An interesting little traverse right here. Slippery, yeah, right? Slipperiest rocks in the world. Got all these, dude, all this stuff is really sparkly too if you look at it real close and whatnot.
I'm gonna call this one the moon hole base.
I like it, man. This is kind of like a moon base. Dude, that is crazy. Look at this old piece of crystallized mining equipment. Like what? For real?
Dude, there's like crystallized
Is there?
information hanging off of it.
Look at that. That's kind of weird though. Like they climbed it.
Oh wow. That's definitely what this is. And it probably went up to,
Oh, it's got wooden platforms.
I don't know.
Yeah. Way up there. You see how there's a drill rod over there?
Yeah, you think they climbed it?
This is eerie, man. You just crystallize this giant wire right here. Is this a rope? It's gotta be a wire rope. Yeah, dude, it's crazy, man. It's literally like ice. When you like touch it and move it, it breaks like ice.
Right? Very recently.
Look at these, it's like a scene out of Lord of the Rings or something.
Right?
Dude, I should have brought my sword in and just stuck it down right there and someone's like, they're grabbing it.
That would, dude. What's above it is what I'm wondering. Nothing. All right, guys, so it looks like we're gonna be climbing this giant pile of breakdown and dirt up into that little crevasse up there. And you know what that is. That's a cave.
That's right.
Cave mode activated.
Cave.
4-wheel jump. Whoa.
Yeah, how about that?
Okay.
Alright, you guys, we
Okay.
got Cave mouth.
Let's go caving, guys.
At the mouth.
Woo!
Dad, anything up here, taking it.
We're taking bags. Oh yeah, it's not that bad once you get over here and look down.
Yeah, there's like a little chimney you can climb down.
Faux show.
Alright, you say so.
Actually, that was looking kind of sketchy again.
Y'all gonna have fun pulling me out here.
You just gotta press yourself into the chimney.
Go this way.
Yeah,
Gotta ride that shaft.
there you go.
Oh man,
That looks real sketchy.
it is, dude.
So you're in the chimney now, you got it.
Oh, yeah, okay, that's not that bad once you actually like commit to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
course, I wore the slippery shoes to this
We
cave.
are going in, you guys.
Oh yeah.
We are descending down into the depths.
Here we go. Oh, it's a really old battery.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Dang, man. Yeah, this thing is just full of water all the time, ain't it?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Dude, that's a really deep little pool right there. And last time we were here, it was filled all the way up. Like 10 feet straight down in there.
You talking about the dome?
Yeah.
Whoa. Holy guacamole. I bet this thing's been dry all summer up until like the past week. Wow. It's so weird how they like create these cylinder.
Yeah, I know, right? Yo, this is wild over here. This thing was a giant pool of water last time.
Oh my god.
Mud.
What?
That's a deep crack.
That is crazy, man.
Oh, my feet are sinking.
Unhook my. Oh, dude.
Alright.
Crazy.
Mine weigh like 10 pounds now.
Clown shoes. Oh, I bet.
I think that's fine, right?
So we've been doing some congregating and we've decided to go this way. This is these walls are awesome.
These boots are doing a lot better than my last one. They don't look good.
What does this remind me of? I'm almost having deja vu in this cave.
Eddie Johns?
That, like maybe that in Indiana had a baby.
Yeah, I agree with that.
That big pool.
I think I'm going.
Oh, I bet this was the miners' drinking spot back in the day.
Like, yeah, the headlamp seats there where that comes.
Yeah.
There.
It says, I can't remember if it was these up there.
Oh, this is a very difficult cave to traverse. I see what they were talking about.
Dude, I'm going up right here.
Cave creatures.
Probably, man, the lizard people. Oh boy. What the heck? Oh! Crawling up into the attic.
Oh, yes, for the fun.
Ew, did you really?
I did.
Sucked it off for free.
That's horrible. That all my GoPro caught on that was sucked it all for free.
I love it. It
Live,
tasted
laugh,
like
love. You want to throw that pack up? Oh, that works.
You gotta manhandle it sometimes.
Dude, that camelback sure needs to be sucking straight dirt.
Yeah, I already.
Check these out. Some chert nodules in the limestone. These are neat.
Alright.
Moving on up. Dude, this is literally just a giant, like, maze of water tunnels.
I know.
Back in its glory days when this thing was rippling with fluid.
That would have been wild to see.
So is there a reason you're going up instead of just walking along this nice path right here? Oh, I do see why you're going up.
You see that?
Yeah. I want to know what's up with this fishing line.
You know, I don't really know.
Dude, this is like a grand staircase in a mansion or something.
Yeah.
Alien corn. Oh, whoa. It's almost like they're kind of like shiny blue. That's weird.
Can top right here.
Oh, I saw a can back there. It looked like a Vienna sausage can.
Oh, there's another one right here.
Someone had to get their cave fuel.
You see a date on that can?
I found the lid to it.
This one says established 22. So these things aren't very old.
1822.
Oh. Yep, they had cheese crackers back then.
This is a peanut lid. Mr. Peanut. Oh, what is that?
There's definitely some pure calcite back here.
What?
I don't know what this is. I think it's a railroad. I think James saw this last time. That is crazy, dude. They support.
Whoa!
I can't tell if this. No, they supported the ceiling with this.
How did they drag this thing back in here?
That's insane.
We're kind of close to the mine entrance.
Do you think this is coming down?
This is a track. What if this track was implanted in this rock way up there, and this rock
That's gotta be what it
That's
is.
what I'm thinking.
from all this breakdown, and this is
Yeah.
how it landed?
That's actually kind of what I'm.
Because it's like,
I don't think
Insanity.
they set that there.
if you look up in there, it's like wedged in the rock.
They definitely didn't drag this thing back here and prop it up.
There's another.
Bunch of rock.
Crawling through this crack.
Yeah.
Getting deeper in this mess.
Taking
These horizontal caves are actually really fun. I haven't done a cave without rope work in a while. Oh, I'm almost at the end of this crack. Oh. It sounds big over there. Oh. Wait up for the other guys. This cave doesn't have an entrance other than the mine, so if we didn't dig into a mountain, we wouldn't have ever found this cave. Whoa! I like this.
Yeah.
Dude, the lake's going.
Yeah. Right when you get where I'm at.
But I do have a theory to test because
Dude, it's big in here.
I heard something. So I really want to.
Holy! Is this part of the mine?
Yeah.
No!
I have a theory to test. So you see that mud?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna see a big. I'm just predicting a giant.
Hurry up!
splatter.
This light's not gonna stay on forever.
Oh! Edward climbed down this thing. Oh! Oh!
Not bad, actually.
Nice. Climbing that hill, man. All right, so we are going back to the cave part of this cave slash mine.
I think that's over here.
This is back that little flat room we were just in. We're gonna go straight across it into a tunnel on the other side. And this is the unknown territory after that.
Unknown territory.
Ooh.
I see a lake down there.
I know.
Oh wow. Cannonball. Here's the diving board. Oh my god. Yo, that's scary, guys.
I have that arrow with VR right here pointing down.
Okay, this is
This
exactly.
is where we turn it down.
This is exactly.
Right here's where we turn it down.
Dude, that is so far down. That's terrifying.
Down here and solve it. Discontinue.
This looks like an easy path down.
VR must stand for bathroom.
This is.
Oh, there's another arrow pointing down right here.
There's ones over here and numbered.
Oh, the canyon goes that way and then cuts that way.
Ends. Oh, they ended the survey here.
So that means after this is explored, we'll come back up possibly and then go down over there at that VR.
Sounds good. All right, this is the spot.
Whoa, dude, there's a water stuff down here.
A water sump?
Yeah.
Whoa. I'm gonna stay up here, guys.
Okay.
I'm just joking.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh man, that is full. So don't slide into that.
Right?
Nope.
Water is so pretty though. Oh, we keep on seeing these BR arrows and we this now says BAT.
This
What's
right
an
here
arrow?
says out, going back towards you.
Oh.
Right there.
Is that what you were pointing at just now?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Oh yeah, we're going down.
this is a really cool canyon though. Hey, what are Steve and James doing? Are they following us? Are we wait for them? Or are they?
They were coming.
But they got each other, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I ain't worried about it.
So this is slick right here.
Whoa, yeah, it is.
We might need to hop under right there and go down from that rock right there.
Now let's see about getting
I don't
back
know
up.
what's under you there, so be careful.
Right? I'll tell you what.
The big drop.
Nah, it is a mudslide. And honestly, dude, if I'm being real with you.
You're probably just gonna release and slide down it, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm just, I think we can get back up. Just dig holes in the mud.
I hear Edward.
You sure it's not?
That might have been James.
There's a cable of some sort over
Where
here.
this goes, I have no idea.
It sumps and goes way back this way too. That gets super low though. That'd be very grim. Oh, this is very strange. So there's a cable tied to a rock. That looks like it might have been pulled out of the wall at some point or something. I don't really know how to explain it. Looks like some fettuccine wrapped around this rock.
This water is so clear.
I know, it's so pretty. Alright, so we're gonna go up there now, I guess.
That looks so deep. I would hate to go off into it because I don't know what's in there.
Cade says he's about to show me how it's done. No, really though, we don't really know how to get over here without swimming, so. We're in the guts of this cave. Edward made it back.
Yo.
We're gonna leave this cave.
Let's
So I'll see you guys probably at the water because I can't resist recording it. Dude, just a last look at these crazy crystal stalagmites. Yeah, stalagmites. And you look up, that entire shelf is all crystal. That's all crystal. We got liftoff. Oh yeah. Spoke a little too soon, huh? You just gotta hit it full speed. Is that what you're doing?
I'm trying not to whack it with my back.
Oh, yeah, done got caught in the current. You Mario Karted me, man. Why am I spinning right now? I'm so close, don't tip now.
Accept it.
Yep, there it is.
If you walk to the left side right here,
Oh my
don't
God.
forget the kayak.
Yeah, I see that.
You can get it up to me, I'll grab it.
Oh my God. Dude, this is insanity.
Oh man.
Okay.
She looks like a World War II.
Dude, this is insane, man.
Yeah.
I got only one limb is clean.
That's the same with mine, actually.
Dude, we made it out of that crazy mine. Go follow Steve and put his channel in the description. Cade, I'm going to put a link in the description. And the Action Adventure Twins, I'm going to put a link in the description. And as always, I will see you guys next week with more chaos.